Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best homemade popsicle molds that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to make healthy snacks for your kids or creative frozen treats for a party, these molds have something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at rank number 4, we have the YOK Popsicle Mold Set in a refreshing green design. This set includes 4 silicone molds that are non-stick and easy to use. Each mold holds 2 fluid ounces, allowing you to create 4 different flavors simultaneously. The reusable plastic sticks come with a drip tray to keep hands clean, making them perfect for kids. What sets the YOK molds apart is their easy release functionality. A simple twist of the silicone lets the popsicle slide out effortlessly, eliminating the need for hot water. The food-grade silicone and plastic construction ensure durability and easy cleaning, as the molds are dishwasher safe. However, the compact design might feel limiting for larger families or those looking to make bigger batches. These molds are ideal for anyone who values simplicity and high-quality materials. The vibrant green color adds a fun touch, and the non-stick silicone makes cleanup a breeze. Pros include the non-stick design, drip trays for mess-free snacking, and dishwasher-safe materials. On the downside, the smaller capacity and limited number of molds may not suit everyone. At rank number 3, we have the Meow Silicone Popsicle Molds for toddlers. Designed with little ones in mind, these molds feature 6 small cavities with colorful reusable sticks that have drip trays to minimize messes. Each cavity holds 2 to 3 ounces, making these molds perfect for healthy, portion-controlled snacks for kids. Crafted from premium, BPA-free silicone, the Meow molds ensure safety and durability. The soft silicone makes it easy to release popsicles without the need for hot water, while their dishwasher-safe design streamlines cleanup. Parents will appreciate the vibrant, kid-friendly colors that engage children and encourage creativity in mixing and matching flavors. These molds are an excellent choice for families with toddlers or young children. They're fun, safe, and easy to use. Although the smaller capacity might not be ideal for adults or bigger appetites. Pros include the toddler-friendly design, vibrant reusable sticks, and effortless release. Cons include the limited size and potentially less versatility for older kids or adults. At rank number 2, we have the Meow Homemade Popsicle Molds, a versatile set that includes 10 cavities, 50 sticks, 50 bags, 10 reusable sticks, a funnel, a brush, and an ice pop recipe. This bundle is perfect for large families or anyone hosting parties, as it allows you to churn out big batches of popsicles quickly. The molds are made from high-quality, BPA-free silicone, ensuring safety and durability. The dual-purpose design accommodates both reusable and disposable sticks, making this set ideal for those who want flexibility in creating their treats. The silicone material allows for easy removal of popsicles with just a peel-back motion, eliminating the need for submerging in hot water. This set is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for versatility and bulk production, whether you're prepping healthy snacks for your family or creating freeze pops for guests. The Meow molds have you covered. Pros include the large batch capacity, premium materials, and included accessories. The only downside might be the larger size, which takes up more freezer space. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Tovolo Silicone Modern Popsicle Molds in the cheerful candy apple color. These molds feature 6 cavities, each holding 3.4 fluid ounces, and come with a sturdy base that prevents tipping during freezing. The built-in drip guards and long handles make them perfect for kids and adults alike, offering a mess-free snacking experience. The Tovolo molds are crafted from BPA-free plastic and are dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleaning and safe use. Their compact design makes them ideal for smaller freezers, as they don't take up much space while freezing or storing. The thoughtful design also adds a touch of artistry to your popsicles, letting you experiment with various recipes and flavors. These molds offer the best balance of quality, functionality, and affordability, making them an excellent choice for anyone who wants to create delicious frozen treats. Pros include the sturdy base, drip guards, and compact design, while the only con is that they may not suit those looking for silicone-based molds. At $7.99, they're a steal for premium performance. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.